Welcome back. Yesterday we set up Java. Today we are actually going to speak to your computer for the first time and it's going to answer back. You ready? Let's go. Now let's create a new Java program in our Eclipse. Open Eclipse, click File, New Java Project. Name it Test Project. Inside SRC, right click, New, Class, name it Test. Tick public static void main. Inside the main method, type system.out.println hello Java. Now let's run it. Click the green play button at the top of the Eclipse. You see hello world. That's it. Congratulations. You just told your computer to speak. Now let's understand what just happened. When you hit run, your .java file, the text you wrote, goes through compilation. That means Java takes your human readable code and turns into a bytecode. Bytecode is something JVM understands. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. Think of it like a translator. It reads the bytecode and tells your computer hardware what to do. JVM works on Windows, Mac, Linux, anywhere. That's why Java programs are named or known for write once and run anywhere. This is your first program. You typed the instructions, compiler converted them, JVM ran them, and the computer said hello world.